MIT Startup Exchange has been a huge help towards our company through different events. So they've hosted, for instance, the R&D conference where we exhibited last November, I believe. And through that event, for instance, we were able to meet a variety of potential clients as well as people who we could potentially partner with. And so one instance was actually for our Series A that we raised a couple years ago. The lead investor for the Series A, his company is actually an MIT ILP member. And so, just what are the chances, right? And we actually met through the MIT community, which was really cool. And, he had graduated from MIT 30, 40 years ago, maybe. But it's just awesome that, groups like this are able to connect entrepreneurs today with people who were entrepreneurs maybe 30, 40 years ago. And for that person who invested in our Series A, he had started his hedge fund, from scratch a long time ago, and someone had helped him out. And so it was like, it was almost like he was giving back by, helping us out in return. So we really appreciated pretty much everything, that the MIT community has done for us. For us, we are interested in finding individuals and companies who we could partner with in the future, whether that's related to high-frequency trading or related to, the future of the financial industry. We'd love to open a dialogue with people who are interested and, just discuss. And so, you're definitely, anyone is, welcome to visit our website and also, connect with us through LinkedIn or other social media networks, and we'll be in touch. We started out from a dorm room at MIT and also over at Harvard. And we were really fortunate in that, we grew from 0 to 8 digits in less than a year in terms of our value. And we actually started off with nothing. So most companies who, start these hedge funds, they branch off of a really large firm and, they have all these resources and connections and money, but we actually had none of them at the beginning. So we got very lucky and were able to kind of utilize a lot of the resources that we did have to try and, establish ourselves at the very beginning. And so we actually closed multiple rounds of funding within 18 months of incorporation. The most recent round was a Series B, and that closed. It was closed last year, so in 2014 at some point. And let's see. And then now today, our investors, they include a variety of different people in the financial and tech world. So, for instance, one of the CEOs of the largest quant funds in the world today, as one of our clients, as well as CEO of a global consulting firm, one of the biggest fintech investors in the world, some of the pioneers of China's internet industry as well. And unfortunately, I can't mention any names, but you can kind of get a sense of who these people are. And so we've been really fortunate in terms of the funding. And I think today we're just looking to establish more of these types of connections.